just wrapped up round 1 here in Jimboomba. Man, I really couldn't have went any better. I was fastest both practices today. Won my heat race and won the main event, so pretty stoked on that. You never quite know at the first round, you know, you have first round jitters, but I felt great all day, and it's cool to go into this 2-week break knowing kind of where I'm at and knowing that I'll keep this red plate on my bike. So overall, great for the team, great team day with Medi being second and Taft being second in the SX2 class. So just overall, a great team day, and I couldn't be more happy to take that first place trophy home to my daughter.